Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest carrot cake. First, you grate carrots using fine grater like this one. The texture of the carrot cake is much nicer when you grate the carrots finely, so please use the finest grater you have. You add sugar and mix a little. Then you add eggs and mix well. You add cinnamon and oil. I use oil instead of melted butter because the cake stays moist and fresh longer. You add self-raising flour and mix well. If you don't have self-raising flour, you can make it with plain flour and baking powder. Please check the description below for the ratio. When it is all mixed well, you add chopped walnuts and mix well. Absolutely no skill needed, just mix and bake. Pour the mixture in the cake tin. Bake the cake in preheated oven at 180 degrees or 170 fan forced for 1 hour or so until the inserted skewer comes out clean. Now you're going to make cream cheese icing. Cream cheese and butter were both kept in room temperature for a while to soften, but if you have forgotten, you can microwave them very short period of time, like 5 seconds to 10 seconds, to soften. Mix well. Then you add icing sugar and mix well. Please keep the icing mixture in the fridge until the cake is baked and cooled completely. When the cake is completely cooled, spread the icing mixture generously on the cake. Sprinkle chopped walnuts on top. And this is done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.